Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Now we're going to dive into hotkeys in ChatGPT. And this is so exciting because it's the beginning of you really being able to hyper-customize and personalize ChatGPT to your use. With the use of custom instructions, you can now start an ongoing list of hotkeys. Yes, you are limited to 1,500 characters, but for the first time, if there are prompts that you continually have to re-enter or something and you just want to save time, you can now use hotkeys. So what I'm saying here is when I type 5Q, provide me 5 thought-provoking questions about the current topic. So let's start with that. We're going to save this. And we're going to say, tell me about quantum computing. Here we get our answer about quantum computing. And now I'm going to type in 5Q, and we're going to see our hotkeys going to work. By just typing that, it knows to give me 5 thought-provoking questions about quantum computing. So you can leave that hotkey there, and we can type another one. When I type 3P, please give me 3 alternative prompts I can use to get the results I'm looking for. So I'm going to ask, how can I communicate better with my manager? And let's say this response was OK, but it's not really what I'm looking for, and I want help thinking of what to ask. We're going to type in 3P, and we're going to get 3 alternative prompts that ChatGPT comes up with about how maybe I can best get the output that I'm looking for. So we've used 184 characters here, and you can keep growing your hotkeys and have an ongoing list of things that are useful for you. This is so exciting because now ChatGPT is getting even faster.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.